Today, I'd like to talk to you about nutrition for glowing skin. Number one is essential fatty acids, omega-3 in particular. And these can be found in any oily fish. But if you're vegan, do include chia seeds, flax seeds, or hemp seed oil. Number two are green leafy vegetables. I would recommend to have at least 160 grams per day because they contain a variety of antioxidants and skin-boosting nutrients. Number three are orange-colored fruit and vegetables. These contain very high amount of beta-carotene, which are essential for giving you this healthy color. Number four are pistachio nuts. They are high in amino acid L-arginine, which is a precursor to nitric oxide, a molecule that dilates our blood vessels and increases circulation. The more circulation brings more oxygen to our skin and clears waste products more efficiently. Number five is astaxanthin, the most powerful antioxidant that has been shown in studies to promote skin smoothness, lighten dark spots, improve elasticity and moisture. The natural sources are algae, salmon, trout, krill, shrimp and crayfish.